Welcome to Review Source. When it comes to tackling tough messes in your workshop or garage, nothing compares to efficiency and power. The best wet-dry shop vacuum cleaner effortlessly handles both liquids and debris, keeping your workspace clean, organized, and ready for any project. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Dreame FloorX 302. First up, the Dreame FloorX 302 Wet-Dry Vacuum is made for anyone who wants quick, no-fuss cleaning around the house. It works on nearly any hard floor, wood, tile, marble, and handles both vacuuming and mopping in a single sweep. The two-tank design is smart. One side holds clean water, while the other collects dirty water, so you never reapply grime to your floors. Press a single button and it runs a self-cleaning cycle, washing the roller so it's ready to go next time. Battery life sits around 35 minutes, which is plenty to get through several rooms before a recharge. And at just a few pounds, it's surprisingly easy to push around furniture or into tight corners. The suction is strong enough for pet hair and everyday debris, while the mop handles sticky spots and spills with ease. With simple controls and a sleek frame, the FloorX 302 is a great all-around cleaner for busy families or pet owners who want to keep their floors looking fresh without hauling out multiple tools. Number 2. BISSELL CrossWave HF3. Next up, the BISSELL CrossWave HF3 is all about speed and convenience. It vacuums and washes floors at the same time. No switching attachments or dragging buckets around. It's cordless and practically glides on its own, so cleaning feels smooth and effortless. The two-tank setup automatically mixes the perfect amount of water and cleaning solution, keeping your floor spotless and streak-free every time. You get two power modes, low for light dust and high when you're tackling sticky or stubborn messes. Pet owners love how it picks up hair and removes odors in one pass. And here's a nice touch. Every BISSELL purchase supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation, helping shelter animals find homes. Slim, lightweight, and easy to handle, the CrossWave HF3 is perfect for quick, everyday cleanups. If you want strong suction, easy maintenance, and the freedom of cordless design, this one's an excellent choice for any household. Number 3. Ecooso 18 kPa Wet-Dry Vacuum. At number 3, if you need raw power, the Ecooso 18 kPa Wet-Dry Vacuum earns its name. Built like a tank, it packs 18 kilopascals of suction power, enough to handle fine dust, heavy debris, and just about anything in between. It's also power tool compatible, which makes it perfect for DIYers and professionals. You can connect it directly to tools to capture sawdust while you work. Even as the tank fills, the Ecooso maintains steady suction, avoiding the drop in performance that's common in other models. The self-cleaning feature keeps filters clear automatically, saving time and ensuring consistent results. Despite its rugged build, it's compact and easy to move or store when you're done. It's simple to operate, durable enough for workshop use, and versatile enough for home cleaning too. If you want industrial-level suction in a portable size, the Ecooso 18 kPa delivers every time. Number 4. Dreame FloorX 500 Lie Flat. Moving on to number 4, the Dreame FloorX 500 takes convenience and innovation a step further. Its 180-degree lie-flat design lets you reach under beds, couches, and low furniture, places most vacuums can't go. It's a true 3-in-1, combining vacuuming, mopping, and drying into one powerful system. Its 194-degree Fahrenheit hot water self-cleaning mode sanitizes the brush roller after each use, killing bacteria and keeping the unit hygienic. You can even choose between a quick dry or deep dry mode depending on your cleaning routine. The cordless design provides up to 50 minutes of runtime, easily covering large spaces without needing a recharge. It glides effortlessly across hard floors, leaving a polished, streak-free finish. And when you're done, the self-clean button handles the cleanup for you. No disassembly required. With its modern design, intuitive controls, and ergonomic feel. Number 5. Tineco Go H2O Sense Dock. Rounding out the list, the Tineco Go H2O Sense Dock is where smart technology meets everyday practicality. Its built-in eye loop sensor automatically detects how dirty your floors are and adjusts suction and water flow in real time. That means consistent cleaning and better battery efficiency. Its edge-to-edge roller reaches corners and baseboards easily, and the LED display keeps you updated with battery life, suction strength, and cleaning progress at a glance. After each use, the self-clean mode flushes the system, keeping the brush fresh and odor-free, especially helpful for homes with pets. Lightweight and cordless, it's comfortable to maneuver for up to 25 minutes of continuous use. Floors dry fast after cleaning, so you can walk on them again in no time. Keeping your home, garage, or workspace spotless doesn't have to be a chore. Each of these wet-dry vacuums brings something unique to the table. Dreame focuses on effortless convenience, BISSELL adds pet-friendly design, Ecooso brings rugged suction power, and Tineco adds smart automation. Thanks for watching Review Source, where we help you find the right tools for a cleaner, easier, and more efficient home.